Namaste and a very, very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at how to import a CSV file into our environment. I repeat, how do we import a CSV file into our environment? What you're seeing in front of your screen is RStudio. Now, let me show you the file which I want to import. This is the file which I want to import. You can see here the name of the file is employee data, and right in the first row you can see the column headings. There are two important observations that you need to make whenever you bring a CSV file into your R environment. The first important question that we need to ask ourselves is, what does the first row contain? I repeat, what does the first row contain? And as you can clearly see here, the first row contains the column heading. You can see here variable names like ID, gender, birth date, education level, job category, salary, so on and so forth, and they are occupying the very first row. The second question that we need to ask ourselves is, what is the delimiter that separates two columns? And the answer is a comma. So we have a comma delimiter and we have a header in this particular file. Let me close this file. This is my RStudio. Import a CSV file. I'm just writing a bit of notes here so that I can just recall what I've done the next time around. Now, to import a CSV file, the simple function that you can use is read.csv. Read.csv. This is a simple function that you can always use to import a CSV file. Now, once you do this, the first argument here will be the path of the file. What is the location of the file? Have you saved the file in C drive, D drive, or in any other location? Let me go to the location of the file. And as you can see here, I have saved this in desktop. Within desktop, I have a folder called as statistics and R sample files. Let me right click on the file name. Here, I will choose the option copy. Sorry, I'll choose the option show more options. Here, I can choose the option properties. I can copy the entire location here. This is the location which I'm interested in. I also need to copy the file name, which I'll do in a moment. So read.csv, within quotes, I will be specifying the location of the file. So this is the location of the file. I also need to type the file name along with the extension of the file. And as you can see here, this is the name of the file, employee data v1. So right click, copy, and as you can see here, the extension of the file is .csv, comma separated values. Let me paste this and specify the location of the file. So within parentheses, I have got C drive, users, Mithun, race Mithun, desktop statistics. Within this, there is another folder name which I have created, R sample files, and the file name. One thing that we need to keep in mind is R does not understand single backslash. So we need to type two backslashes here. This is very, very important that you type two backslashes, else you'll get an error. Right. So the first argument here is ready, which is to specify the location of the file. In addition to specifying the location of the file, there are a couple of additional arguments that you would like to give. The second argument that you can give is header equals true. You can specify header and then type T here. This is because the first row in the source file has column headings. The last argument that we have to specify is the delimiter. You can simply specify sep equals comma, but this comma will have to be within double quotes. I can just delete this and insert a comma here. So this is how we can read a CSV file. Just type the read.csv function. Within this, you have to specify the location of the file. Please make sure that it is within double quotes and you have used two backslashes. The second argument is header equals T. And the third argument is separator equals comma within double quotes. Let me check whether my code is working. All that I need to do is hit Control Enter. And as you can see here, it has imported the file successfully. These are the variable names like ID, gender, birth date that we saw in the notepad. So it has imported the file successfully. It is printing the output here. Now, if I want a spreadsheet like a view, what I'll do is basically, instead of printing the output as it is, I'll first save this as an object. Since this is employee data set, let me just give this as emp data set. Execute this, Control Enter. Now, the dump of the file will be put in an object. It will be stored in an object which is called as emp data set. To view this file, what I will do is view the file. All that you need to do is type a simple command which is called as view. V is in caps. You can type view and then copy the file name emp data set, Control C, and just paste it here. Now, there are two important things which I'd like to draw your attention to. In this command view, the first letter V is in caps. The remaining three letters are in small letters. There is no need to type quotes here when you're declaring the object name. Control Enter. You can see here the file that we had imported is being displayed by R. The column headings are recognized as variable headings, and you have the first row all the way up to 474th row being displayed here. So this is how you can import a CSV file into your R environment. I hope you've liked today's presentation. In case you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing my channel, The Outlier 73. I'll see you in my next video.